what you have to do is pass sharing. Okay. When the trainer joins, resume. Resume share on the resume share. The cut చేయకు just minimize.
అటెండెన్స్ ఆటోమేటిక్ గా వస్తుంది కదా తీసుకోవచ్చు.
Last కి download చేసుకోవాలి.
అదే చెప్పారు సార్.
Good morning, my dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, madam.
Sir is not available today. That's why I will be coordinator today class, okay?
Okay, madam, and you can record the session, madam.
Yes, okay, sir.
Okay. So, my dear students, I have distributed the titles of the main project. So, have you seen in the group, in the WhatsApp I have sent?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm going to show you how to prepare a document and a PowerPoint presentation of your main project. Okay, please see here. One second. So this
Sir,
is
Sir,
yeah. Ask me. So
Sir,
this is
when do we have the mock interviews, sir?
this next week. That's why this is the main title you can keep in your resume. That is the reason I am explaining interview questions and this biodata. You can include your title of main project. So this one you have to present next week. Okay.
This is main project, right, sir?
Yeah. So I am explaining one sample. So I will send to your group once this one is completed. Yesterday I have explained that this is the sample I have taken. I'm forwarding. Suppose I'm preparing my own because you need to follow this one. Like for that purpose, I'm creating. I'm preparing one PowerPoint presentation and documentation, and I will execute this project. You can see. So major project title is 15th March. That is the final day of our training. Okay. So implementation of malware detection and prediction data analytics using machine learning and deep learning techniques. So by 5 students, how many group members are there? You can write your five members names here, and this is the title we used to follow. I'm showing one sample and followed by the contents: abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing system, drawbacks. So I have explained existing system with the drawbacks, proposed system with advantages, and tools and techniques inside a presentation you can include in the title page, not required here. Then implementation, results, conclusion, references. I'll send you this one, don't worry. So now I'm preparing abstract. See now? So you need to write the abstract. Okay. So my screen is visible?
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Abstract. You need to make it Times New Roman. So I'm showing complete project preparation today. Abstract with any one color you can use, no problem. Just I'm showing. So this is I'm preparing abstract of my topic called what is the topic? Implementation of malware. So now you need to go to I told you this link. You can use ChatGPT. Okay. Openai.com. Okay, so here just write abstract of, I have copied that presentation, abstract of implementation of malware detection and prediction data analytics using ML and DL techniques. So now see, it is going to prepare give me, it gives 99.99% accuracy of abstract. So now what I am going to, I am using ML and DL. ML means machine learning techniques. So here machine learning techniques are, see, now this is the abstract. So now I am copying in this abstract. See, you need to prepare like this. So go to Times New Roman. Okay, Times New Roman. This is the, so you can make it 2 slides, no problem. I'm copying. So I'm removing from, in addition, like that. 2 slides I'm removing. So you need to see, select bullets. You can select bullets and real time. And this is the 1 point. Wherever full stop is there, you can prepare 1 point. Okay. So like this, you can make it here, just go to here, make it 0, 0 and single. So like this, you can fit into this abstract in all the complete. Okay. So like this, you can prepare. Now see, my presentation of this abstract is fitted in this one. Now, so this is continuation slide. I am removing and up to here, where is the potential threats? So I am removing here potential threats. So this one already I have prepared, that points only I am adding. See, you need to use full slide, select, I am selecting and I am selecting this one, tick mark of the presentation. Then the results, wherever the point is there, there you can keep it. So next followed by the keywords. In the abstract itself, you can prepare keywords of the topic. It can produce keywords. Okay, keywords of you. If you want to do parallelly, you can also do, please. No problem. If you open your system, okay, so you can do parallel. So now the title of the, just the keywords. What are the keywords it is going to give us? See, it is giving keywords: malware detection, prediction, machine learning, deep learning, data analytics, artificial intelligence, random forest, support vector machine, neural networks, convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, behavior analysis. Okay, 20 keywords it has given, but we will keep only minimum keywords, not these many keywords. We will keep very less. Okay, some keywords I am removing right now. Please check. So important keywords we can keep. Okay, So malware detection I'm keeping, then prediction I'm keeping, machine learning I'm keeping, deep learning I'm keeping, data analytics I'm keeping, and you can use I'm removing artificial random forest because I'm using support vector machines and convolutional neural networks. That's all. Remaining I am removing because you can keep maximum keywords of your project. Now, so in this slide, I am going to show you how many keywords I have prepared. So this is the way I am preparing. See, you can select and you can make it bold and you can select any one color. Okay. So with this one, abstract is completed. See. Now next introduction. Next go to introduction. Please do all of you like this introduction of the main project, and same thing I am using here. Copy, just paste, remove keywords and go to introduction. Introduction about the implementation of malware detection and prediction using machine learning and deep learning techniques. Okay, so now it is preparing introduction. You can prepare 2 slides. Introduction, 2 slides is enough. So malware has become a significant threat. So you can copy here this, okay, about it is displaying malware introduction. Please see here, select Times New Roman. It is the official font, and select black color for text. Wherever full stop is there, you can make it points. That's all. So this is about the introduction about the malware. Then use this template. I'm sending in the group. So next, implementation of malware. You can use. See, one more paragraph I'm using. Okay. So I'm preparing introduction. Introduction about the implementation of malware prediction and detection by using machine learning and deep learning technique. Okay. So this is about introduction about the main project. See, wherever full stop is there, you can use. Next, introduction is completed. Next, what is the next heading? Literature survey. Literature survey. Now take this template. Okay, make it here. Literature survey. Literature survey. Actually, this one more method is there. I'm going to show you how to prepare literature survey, and you can use. So this is a introduction part. Now I'm keeping this one literature survey. Literature survey of, okay, implementation of. Every time you need to give your title of the project. Now it is preparing literature survey. So you can copy this point. Yeah. So literature survey, okay, just I have copied literature survey about the presentation of implementation of malware detection using, this is the way I am preparing. For example, okay, so this is preparation of literature survey. You make it 00 and a single line comment. Okay. So now if you see here, so I have copied this one, deep learning in addition to detection of malware. One more paragraph you can copy. So I'm using this one. Okay. So just I'm copying this one. So here I'm pasting 2 paragraphs of literature survey. Okay. Now see, I'm preparing. Select Times New Roman. My screen is visible, Nayan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay. So now like this you can prepare. Why I am showing? You need to learn how to prepare a PowerPoint presentation of this topic, and you can make it. Yeah. Any doubt you can ask meanwhile, no problem. Okay. So I am preparing. Select, go to here, and make it fit into the correct slide. So now I have fit this one as correct slide. Okay. So overall, this one is okay. So literature survey is complete. Now next heading, existing system. Now I am copying this template. Okay. So existing system. Existing system. That means existing system explains what are the existing system they have taken in the papers and what are the drawbacks they have identified that they are finding now. See, I am giving what is the existing system here. Existing system of implementation of malware detection and prediction using machine learning and deep learning techniques. So now it is preparing existing system. So it will throw some drawbacks of existing system. We will find out. We'll find out what are the drawbacks of existing system. We are overcoming those drawbacks. Yeah, please ask me any doubt. I will this PowerPoint presentation to you and a documentation today, because tomorrow and day after tomorrow holiday, you can prepare this type of presentation. That's why I'm sharing with you. Yeah. So this is a select Times New Roman. Times New Roman and the black color, and select bullet and tick marks. Okay. So now go to here, check the spacing. Single, yeah. Okay. So this is the existing system under drawbacks. Now I'm using the drawbacks. So in this one, the existing system uses. See, I am writing the existing system techniques are existing system is used to implement is used to implementation of, here, where is that title you can take? See here, malware detection prediction is, I'm using implementation of malware. See, this one, malware is used to implement of existing system of malware. No. The implementation so under machine learning, I'm using two techniques. Machine learning techniques. Machine learning techniques are, so one is a support vector machine, SVM. In the bracket you can write support vector machine, and the second one is random forest. And yeah, tell me.
So you don't include a problem statement also.
Yeah, I will include. I forgot. Very good. Deep learning techniques. Yeah, I will include. Yeah, deep learning techniques are, this slide you follow, all of you follow like this. Deep learning techniques are two techniques I'm using. That is CNN, convolutional neural networks. These convolutional neural networks. So convolutional neural networks, and the second one is RNN. These are the existing system technique. Recurrent neural networks. So these are the techniques. Okay. So now I am making this one as see. No need of. So two techniques I am using. So these are the existing system techniques. So I am selecting one color and okay, and these techniques I am selecting blue color. We are implementing these four techniques. That's why ML and DL techniques, machine learning techniques and deep learning techniques. Existing system is used to implement malware detection and prediction is the following techniques, and followed by the drawbacks. Now I'll give you drawbacks of existing system. See, drawbacks. Now, Manvita, correct. Problem statement. After introduction, you can include a problem statement. After introduction.
After introduction.
Yeah, after introduction, problem statement, I am including problem statement. Okay. After introduction, I am introducing problem statement of this one, correct. Thank you for Manvita for remembering this one. So I am writing here in ChatGPT problem statement of implementation. So now it is giving the problem statement of implementation of malware detection and prediction using machine learning and deep learning techniques can be summarized as follows. So these are the four. It is showing the problem statement. So how many points it is showing now? See, yeah. So what I will do? So two slides I can prepare. See, it is the problem statement of so these 3 points, and let's see first. So these 2 points I'm adding. Problem statement. So Times New Roman, you can use, yeah. Now see, it is, you can select any bullet also, no problem. So this one and one more slide I'm adding in the, okay. So problem statement, I'm adding few more points. Otherwise, yeah, up to these 3 points you can add it. So these 3 points I'm adding as a problem statement. Times New Roman, and select here 00 single spacing. Okay, so here I have added 2 points. Here I am adding 3 more points. Okay, so now see the 28 if I select. Yeah, now see this one starts number 3 because already 2 problem statement. Yeah, now see here it is showing. Okay, so like this you can add a problem statement. So 5 points in problem statement I have completed. Now go to drawbacks of existing system. Next, here you can copy your title of that major project and do here problem statement. You can remove drawbacks. Drawbacks of implementation of malware detection and prediction using machine learning and deep learning. Now it is displaying drawbacks of implementation of malware detection and the prediction using machine learning and deep learning techniques. Okay, so while the implementation of malware detection and prediction using machine learning and deep learning techniques has the potential to significantly enhance the accuracy and efficiency. So it is displaying a number of drawbacks. So you need to precise. So how many points it is displaying? You need to precise. So it is displaying nearly 6 points. Yeah. So now see how many points it is displayed. You can explain these false positive here drawbacks. You can prepare drawbacks. Select Times New Roman and see them and select yeah, any doubt? So you need to select this one as okay. Now these 2 points, yeah. So you can select 27. Okay. So drawbacks, these are the points. You need to select this one. Okay. Next, you can see the few more drawbacks. What are the drawbacks of these points? See now, 4 points I am giving. You need to reduce these points. 1 second, select Times New Roman. Okay, so in this one, you can remove this one. And so this is a computational. Okay. Now select this one, drawbacks of existing system. So after that, how many points? 1, 2, and 3, 4. These are the points you need to 3. So 3, 4, 6. You need to select. Okay. Then 5th one. Then 6th one. So 1 point you can reduce so that it can fit. So this is the drawback of existing system. And next, almost all the existing system is completed. Now these two proposed system, you can use proposed system. What is the proposed system? Proposed system. So what is the proposed system of? See, you can search for drawbacks is over. Now, what is the proposed system? Proposed system of. Okay. Now see. Proposed system of implementation of malware detection and prediction using machine learning and deep learning techniques. The proposed system utilizes machine learning deep algorithms to analyze. Okay, so these two points I'm adding. Okay, so that is about the proposed system. Also incorporates interoperability, interpretability techniques such as feature extraction. Okay, so now I am adding this one, proposed system. See here, what is meant by proposed system? You need to select and make it the existing system followed by the proposed system. Now see, almost all the 1 point you can reduce so that we can go up. Okay, so this is a proposed system, and this one is what are the techniques? Here you need to write proposed system. Proposed system is used to implement malware detection and prediction is the following techniques. Now here extended, you can use extended support vector machine. We are extending. How to extend, I will explain for implementation. Extended support vector machine. Okay. So extended support vector machine, extended random forest algorithm, ERF. Okay, so support vector machine extended, and here ECNN. means extended convolutional neural network. So this is, you can write extended convolutional neural networks, the extended recurrent neural networks. Okay. Now see, little bit you can reduce. Okay. So now extended support vector machine and extended random forest. That I will, I'm going to explain that one. Now advantages. What are the advantages of, see here, advantages of proposal system. Now see what are the advantages of implementation. Now see what are the advantages of implementation of malware detection and prediction using machine learning and deep learning techniques. Okay, increased accuracy. So what are the advantages of scalability, so now see it is preparing advantages of what are drawbacks of and in order to avoid drawbacks of see, the following are the advantages. See now, what are the, so this is drawbacks. How many how many advantages are there? See, increased accuracy. You can use accuracy. Then that is first advantage. Then real time. So you can predict this one. Next, and scalability. Only advantages I am writing here. No need to write everything because we will prepare a documentation so that you will understand how to prepare a documentation. Now this is advantages. Okay. Then sixth advantage is then the advantage of implemented malware detection. Make it promising approach for change, enhancing the security of computer system and data. This point you can add here, the bottom. Okay. Now see the Times New Roman, lack decision making. You can remove this one. All are advantages of proposal system. So these are the advantages. Now this one, okay. Now see, six advantages we got it. Next. Hello, Manvita, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir, it is.
Yeah. So after advantages, proposed system advantages, then what is the heading?
After
Propose-
proposal, it's tools and
Proposed system with advantages. Then after that, tools and techniques. Huh?
Tools and techniques.
Okay. So 17 slides. So now I'm preparing this one, tools and techniques. So first I will write the tools. What are the tools we can use? Okay. Tools of first we'll find out how many tools are there. Tools of tools. What are the tools we can use for implementation of malware detection and the prediction using machine learning and deep learning techniques? Now, machine learning libraries, it is showing, and okay. So how many tools it is displaying? See here, it is displaying machine learning libraries, deep learning frameworks, data visualization tools, data analysis and pre-processing tools, security information and event management tools. Okay, so these many tools it is displaying. There are several. See, so there are several tools is displaying. These tools, so these tools can use, why it is showing like, use notepad. If it is not pasting, then go to here, here you can paste. So Times New Roman, select. So what are the tools we are using? See here. So I'm counting the tools. Okay. So the tools are, so how many tools are there? Machine learning. Okay. Machine learning libraries and deep learning frameworks. Okay. And data visualization tools is there. I'll explain. Data visualization tools, then data analysis and processing tools. Next, security information management tools, SIEM. So see here, so you need to use these many 5 tools. So here you can cut this one. You can use here. So now select Times New Roman and make it 24. Okay. So these tools, the following tools are 5 tools. I'm selecting in blue color. Okay, so these are the tools. Otherwise, this point you can. Okay, no problem. Next, techniques. What are the techniques? It is displaying. So I have already selected techniques, but what system is displaying? No problem. You can also try techniques of with the help of ChatGPT. What it is showing? What are the techniques? So tools we have identified: machine learning libraries and deep learning libraries. Techniques of malware implementation, techniques of implementation of malware detection and prediction using machine learning and deep learning techniques. So it is displaying supervised learning, so unsupervised learning, and deep learning methods. So these are the several techniques it is displaying. Feature selection. Okay. So these many techniques it is showing for implementation of malware prediction and detection algorithms. So now techniques, see now. So there are, I'm selecting 3, 4, 5. Okay. So techniques I'm selecting here. Now I'm selecting the techniques for proposed technique. Okay. So I'm selecting your topic. Okay. Now see. So supervised learning, that is one technique it is displaying, and unsupervised learning. This is a title, you can keep it in your biodata. The title is very, very important. And you can select the remaining techniques. What are the remaining techniques? Deep learning and this. Feature selection, model selection. Yeah, deep learning and feature selection and model selection and evaluation. So you can, 1 second, it is not displaying. Here you can paste it. In the notepad you can use. You can use these points. So and this one also you can use, such as cross validation technique, machine learning techniques. Okay, these are the techniques I'm selecting. Okay, model selection evaluation such as cross validation in research. That's all. No need to write everything. This is PowerPoint presentation slide. So these 2 techniques I have added here, 3 more techniques I am adding here. So you can select the number, go to number and make 3. Okay. So now I'm selecting this one and checking. So 27, maybe no, still it is not fit into the 25. Yeah, now it is fitting. Deep learning, and after techniques, what is the next heading? Manvita, implementation.
Yes, sir.
Implementation. Implementation. Now you need to see the implementation of your topic. So tools and techniques. So in implementation, you can add 1 second. Implementation of projects. So how do it is implementation of malware detection? The title itself it is showing. So 4 steps it follows. Data processing. Headings we will write, that's all. No need to describe everything. Okay. Feature selection and extraction. So I will add this implementation. Selecting Times New Roman. So these are the implementation techniques. How many techniques? Still it is displaying deployment. So 6 steps it is displaying about the implementation. Okay. Carefully and executed to ensure that the implementation of malware detection. Okay. So how many are there? 6 techniques are there. So what are the 6 techniques? You'll see. This one. Okay. So make it 24 and only headings you can write. First data collection. Okay. You write only data collection. Then data pre-processing. I will explain how to. For documentation, you can use everything. Okay. Future selection and extraction. You can write everything, no problem, but model selection. Model selection. Next, model evaluation testing. So already 4 algorithms we are implementing only two algorithms. So I am selecting Times New Roman and make it 24. So this is data pre-processing. So these are the 6 steps we are following in this implementation. Now see how it look like. Yeah, now it is perfect. So these are the following. 1 point you can increase. Okay. Now see. So implementation is over. 2 techniques, algorithms we need to write. What are the 2 techniques? One is extended. What are the proposed system techniques? These 2 deep learning techniques. So these 2 techniques or these 4 techniques you can use as a implementation algorithm steps you can use. So the first technique is write first technique. If you are using ESVM means extended support vector machine. Support vector machine. And we will compare that one, don't worry. So we will write the support vector machine. First we will take the Python steps. So here, algorithm steps of support vector machine. Support vector machine. Okay. So what it gives, you can see. First algorithm steps of a support vector machine we will take. We will import the libraries. Okay. So first step, data processing. Then first we need to select the malware data about your data set, and selecting a kernel function. Then select determining the values of C and Y. C and Y are two important parameters that the trade-off between accuracy of the model. You can use Python algorithm steps. It will give you Python programming algorithm steps, because we are learning Python so that it will perform making predictions, model evaluation, the final step. So we need to select. So you can see the 6 steps we got it. Okay. You can select step by step. These are the algorithm steps. Next, and third step. I'm selecting only point. Next, fourth step. Next. You will get next fifth step. Next last step. So these are the algorithm steps of so now see, I'm selecting Times New Roman. I'm selecting. So these are the steps I'm following. Okay. So this is the algorithm. And select, make it whole. And these are the 6 steps. Okay. So these are the 6 steps you need to follow first. Next, selecting a kernel function. Then I think it is common for all the, because these steps we are following. Next, so one more going. Okay, so that is a convolutional neural network. We'll select one more one machine learning algorithm, one deep learning technique. Then we will compare the techniques. Algorithm sets of convolutional neural network. One more technique, convolutional neural networks is also one of the classification techniques. Okay. Now I'll see the algorithm steps of convolutional neural networks. What it is displaying. and convolutional neural network I'm selecting. So let it be display. I'm see, this is here I can write CNN, extended convolutional neural network. Two techniques we are proposing. Extended convolutional neural networks. Convolutional neural networks. Let's see how many are coming. So fully connected layer, it is displaying number of steps. The algorithm like this you can copy. Once you got the algorithm in Python, you can implement. Okay, now I'm implementing. So this is algorithm step. Okay, now it is displayed, still it is displayed. How many steps are there? Nearly 10 steps it is showing. So only side headings you can copy. Then in this one we will display in this one. What we can call it as data processing, initialization of weights, biases. These are the steps you follow. Then convolution operation. We need to select convolution operation. In the documentation, we will write everything. Don't worry. Pooling operation. Or if you want to write two pages, it will come. Okay. So pooling operation. Then after pooling operation, activation operation. Activation. We will write in the documentation, no problem. It is fully connected. Then loss function, loss calculation. We need to do loss calculation. Next, back propagation. These are the mandatory steps for everyone. You need to follow. These are the mandatory steps. Major project. So these things you must know it. They will ask you what is the major project title. So you need to explain these steps. Okay. So these steps represents basic outline of the algorithm for convolutional neural networks. Okay. Now see, these steps I'm making mandatory. 24. So this is you need to select red mark. These are the numbers. 10 steps. You make it in the one color, blue color, and this one make it. Okay. So make it this one. Yeah. Now see. So these are the ECNN extended. Okay. So these are the steps we are following. After implementation, what is that? Results? Ma.
So,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, results. Now results, that one we will execute. Results. So results, let's see what type of results this system is giving. But we need to execute and we need to write Here is the title of the project. This you can copy and paste results of. So you can remove this one, results of implementation. What type of results it is showing? Now see, it is displaying results of implementation of malware detection. The results of implementing malware detection prediction using machine learning, deep learning can be evaluated based on various performance metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Yeah. So these things you need to be right, mandatory. Recall, results, F1 score is a weighted average of precision and recall. So these 4 steps you need to write. So first one is accuracy. Then I'm writing, then precision. Then so I'm adding the precision. Next step is recall, up to recall. Next, F1 square. So these are the results, and we need to keep after implementation. We need to keep our screenshots. That I will tell you. I will execute and I will keep it. Don't worry. Now I am going to execute and I'll keep the the results. If you see the results, select this one. So these are the 25 you can select. Yeah, perfect. So based on these things, important things, select, check the spacing is perfect. So accuracy, okay. Then see the precision, then recall, then F1 square, okay. And so after results, what it is there, Manvita? Please check.
Conclusion, sir.
Conclusion. So here I am leaving for whatever the screens I am getting, those screenshots I will show you. So this is for results I am pasting. Next conclusion. Next conclusion. So this empty space for we are keeping. I'll execute now. Don't worry. After conclusion. Okay, conclusion of the project that we will complete. So conclusion. Okay. So what type of conclusion it is showing? Can you see? Conclusion of implementation of malware detection and prediction using machine learning and deep learning techniques. So what it concludes, we will write. Okay. Now see, it is displaying. So 2 slides we can use for conclusion because it is displaying 2 more paragraphs. So you can use okay. So I'm selecting Times New Roman and this one in select lines. Go to here. Yeah, that is okay. And 2 points. One more slide, you can add it. Once it is not sufficient. So here, and this more 2 points I'm adding the conclusion. Okay. So through internet, 2-3 you are getting good knowledge, then we will use to reduce these points. So wherever bullet is there, you can make it. Okay. So after conclusion, references. References of malware prediction and detection. So references, you can write references, references of how many references it is going to show you, you can see. Okay. So references you can download from the internet, you can check proposed architecture also, you can check the diagram and input data set, and the 2 diagrams are mandatory. I'll show you what are the 2 diagrams. We need to keep it. So after these references, little bit work is there. So we'll see. So how many references it is displaying? See here. So 6 and 7, maximum it will display 10, or let's see, 7 it is displayed. 8 anomaly detection techniques for detecting malware, Journal of Computer and Virology and Hacking.
5 references are enough, no, sir?
Yeah, tell me, what is that?
5 references are enough, no?
No. 5 enough, but it is good to have a minimum 10, because in the documentation it will display, they will ask you how many references you have verified. So we will download
References we can put.
So these are the 10 minimum we need to keep.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, minimum 10. Then the documentation and presentation also you can keep minimum 10. So 1 second. So this PPT almost all completed, and a few more things I will explain. So you need to understand what is the input data set. We forgot actually input data set and proposed architecture diagram. Those things we can take from the internet. So 5 I have added, and 5 you can add it next slide. So total 10, sorry, what happened? So if it is gives any problem, you can take here and do it here. Just 1 second. So these are the why it is taking space. Remove that one. So this one, how many are there? So this one 6. Numbering also I am giving to you. So 6. So total are there. So make it in one line. Perfect. These are the references I'm using. So 10 references. Now see, references, 10 references. Now input data set, we need to keep it. Where we can keep it input data set before going to existing system. Here we can keep it input data set. Okay. So input data set. So I'm selecting Times New Roman. Malware data set I'm taking, input data set. Okay. So here you can write a URL and as well as where you have downloaded. See, now I'm going to internet. I can write here also it will display. Don't worry. Here you can ask ChatGPT input data set of input data sets of implementation. What it display? It will give links. Input data sets of implementation of malware detection and prediction. The input data sets for implementation of malware detection and prediction using machine learning, deep learning techniques can be include variety of features and characteristics of the software or files being analyzed. This can include binary code, system calls, API calls, network calls, anything. This is the goal is to provide the model with a comprehensive understanding of what malware software looks like. Okay. In some cases, the input data set can be collected from real world scenarios such as by monitoring network traffic or collecting data from infected systems. See, so this is the input data set you can the input data you can but you have to download it. Okay. You can write, no problem, but if you download, that is good. So this is I will give you malware detection data set. Okay, malware. So it is a black color. You can select and so this is a input data set. So we will download from the internet. Now see, input data set you can download from the internet. Go to here, Google, just type Google, and what is the title here? Input data set of, here you write malware, no need to write all these things using. So like this you can select malware input data sets of malware data sets. Malware data sets you can download. See, in GitHub it is available. See here, all of you, in Kaggle or GitHub, malware data set. You click 3 URLs I'll give you. You can download. Okay, so malware samples. You can select this one. Malware data set. Malware sample resource. See here, malware collection of malware sample repositories. So here you can download. So like that you can download malware feed. This is the data set. renaming directories. 1 second. Download zip file. If you open like this, so it is downloaded. See now, malware data set. I'm downloading malware feed. Your data set also you will get it, don't worry. See here, some of the resources reports have provided samples from including the following. Flash reports, these are the sample data sets. And if you go to here, you will find no registration required. You can download malware bazaar old and outdated. Many data sets are available. One data set I am downloading. So you can give a description about that malware data set. So 3 years back they have uploaded. Go to file. Here is the file. Here code also available. See, you can check code also available. Everything in this file. See, it is downloading still. Or simply you can type malware data set. Image also you will get. Malware data set. Go to image, you will get it. See, this is malware data set. So this is one type of, suppose I am taking this as a malware data set. Malware. So this data set I am taking and I am keeping as input to the system. Like this, you can keep it malware data. So this data you will get it from the internet, don't worry. You can select and you can write figure name here. See what I am doing. This one you can select. Input data set of figure name. Input data set. See now, I am writing input data set. Input data set. This one select. Okay. So here you can select like this. So this is input data set is over. Next, you can download from the internet. Don't worry, I will execute. Now results. One more. Proposed system. Proposed architecture. So now here we need to draw this diagram. Proposed architecture here. So that diagram also I am keeping. 1 second. That diagram also very important. Go to the title. Here you can write in the Google ChatGPT, which will not show you diagram. Proposed architecture. Proposed architecture. You can write like this. Proposed architecture of implementation. See, there are which one is good? You can see ensemble classification, data pre-processing and feature selection. There are Android malware detection architecture, detection of exceptional malware. See this one. You can take this one. It is a model. Just we are taking as a model, and you can paste. So like this, you need to change a little bit, otherwise copyright problem will come, plagiarism and copyright problem will occur. So this is called proposed architecture. Here you can write proposed architecture of, see what I have written, proposed architecture. You need to write in the PPT, proposed architecture. Okay, proposed architecture of our project. So this is I'm writing, see, figure. So select Times New Roman and you can write you can select red color. Okay. Now see proposed architecture of implementation of malware detection and prediction. Using this one you can remove because figure name like this you can keep it. No problem. Only so first letter must be sentence specific, right? Proposed architecture of implementation of malware detection and prediction. So like this. So this one is completed proposed architecture. Now results. Now I need to results. See now I have implemented that one I am showing to you. So if you want, you can use support vector mission I have executed. Notepad space support vector mission svm.py. I'll give you sample PPT. Don't worry. So this is one data set I have applied. I'm malware data set I'm giving Excel as a input. So Python space svm.py. Python space support vector machine.py. Okay, see now I got the results. So if you see, I'm reducing this properties size because it is too much size. That's why it is not fitting. See now I got the results. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
like
Yes, sir.
yeah, like this you can execute and take the screenshot. Now I'm taking the screenshot. Why it is not? So I'm keeping the results. Okay. So this is the result for you also. I'll show you results after execution of this one. You can write the final results of 1 second. I'm writing the output text box.
Could you please show that source code? It is
Yeah.
not svm.py.
Which one? Figure source code among
Yes, sir.
output. Yeah. Source code you can you can download from the internet. Support vector machine for malware data. Any code we need to change only data set. It will come output of the proposed technique. So we need to implement this one. Results. See, so this is a proposed output of the now. That's all. Now see how beautiful I have prepared 33 slides of your presentation. Now my screen is visible. See, after preparing the presentation, you need to explain like this. Good morning, sir. Today I would like to explain my major project title is Implementation of Malware Detection and Prediction Data Analytics using Machine Learning and Deep Learning Techniques. So let me justify my title. I'm taking as an input data set of malware detection Malware is a malicious software virus data set I have collected from the GitHub and Kaggle and UCI repositories, and I am applying machine learning and deep learning techniques in order to extract the features, in order to predict and detect what type of threat it is I would like to find out by using machine learning and deep learning techniques. So these are the contents I would like to explain. Little bit, yeah. These are the contents. Today I am going to explain: abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing system, drawbacks, proposed system, advantages, implementation, results, conclusion, and references. Coming to abstract, the implementation of malware detection and prediction using machine learning and deep learning techniques aims to address the issue of detecting and predicting malicious software in real time. This implementation combines the power of data analytics and advanced artificial intelligence techniques to provide a robust solution for detecting and preventing the malware attacks. The system utilizes various machine learning algorithms such as random forest, support vector machine, and neural networks to analyze the behavior and the characteristics of software to detect potential threats. Then in addition, the system employs deep learning techniques such as convolutional neural networks and recurrent neural networks to analyze large volumes of data and identify patterns that indicates malware activity. The results of this implementation have demonstrated a high degree of accuracy and effectiveness in detecting and predicting malware attacks, making it a valuable tool for organizations in their efforts to secure their systems and data. So you can give one more space like this.
Sir,
Yeah, please tell me.
include problem statement in the contents page, sir.
Yeah, no. In whatever I have included here, like this, you can keep it. Inside presentation, you can keep. Okay. So in the contents, don't include. In the content only, you can include abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing system, drawbacks, proposed system, advantages, implementation, result, conclusion, references. This is enough. This is generalized IEEE standard we are following. Then inside you can keep it problem statement, no problem. Then the results of this implementation have demonstrated high degree of accuracy and effectiveness in detecting and predicting malware attacks, making it a valuable tool for organization in their efforts to secure their systems and data. These are the keywords I have used for this malware detection and prediction. So the keywords are malware detection, prediction, machine learning, deep learning, data analytics, support vector machines, and convolutional neural networks. Then introduction. So you need to explain introduction. Then you need to see this. If the gap is there, you can use this. You can adjust Control Enter. This one you can adjust Control Enter like this. So then problem statement. Here I am keeping problem statement. The problem statement of the implementation of malware detection and prediction using machine learning and deep learning techniques can be summarized as follows. So inadequacy of traditional antivirus software and manual inspection methods, need for automated and these points, headings. Inside headings, you can use one more color so that it will be good for identification. I'm getting this PPT, don't worry. Okay. So next problem statement is limitations of need for large scale and this one. Yeah. Now see, this is the problem statement. Who asked, Veena or Who is asked the problem statement?
Yes, sir.
Veena. Veena, after abstraction, you can keep problem statement and literature survey and see literature survey and one more I will include now. I have done only ChatGPT, but real time we can add input data set like literature survey. I am giving one sample here. So here I am taking one paper, first paper. First, see references. Go to references. All of you see now. First paper I am taking. In the year 2016 it came. Okay. So I am downloading that paper now. So go to Google or here you paste that one. That paper will come here. See, that paper is there. This paper I am downloading. Same paper. So what I am doing? Yeah. So first I am respecting the author. So I am taking the author name. So you need to do like this. Okay. Where it is? In the literature survey. Please do this one. Otherwise, our problem will be problem. See, first author name. ETAL means all the authors. ETAL, comma. Okay. I will do. Then title. Title you need to copy. You need to copy the title. Okay. Then where it is published. You need to check where it is here. The complete citation is there. You can take this one. So this is the citation we need to follow.
So what's ETAL?
Including all the authors. ETAL means including all authors. So here I am malware analysis. So I am using this one. I am removing this one. Where it is published using machine learning algorithm. See, this paper is published. Citation I am giving. Yeah. Now, yeah. So this is according to this paper, we need to write bold italic and do red color. You need to download that paper. You have to do. Now you have to write according to who is author? Muhammad. According to Muhammad, this is respectable. Muhammad Sohaib. Akhtar. AHTAR. According to Muhammad Shoaib Akhtar and his team published article. Okay, published article. Okay, you can write, you can tell like that, but while writing, according to Muhammad Shoaib, see, spelling is wrong. Shoaib Akhtar and his team published research article. Research article is the title. You need to explain like this while explaining. In this research, okay. So you just go to abstract here. The paper, go to abstract, read what they have applied. See, they have applied various algorithms like malware analysis and with machine learning algorithms here. This one copy paste. Their contribution, what they have used, that you have to write here. Okay, I'm writing. Now see, Times New Roman. So I am brushing. I'm brushing this one. So this is the way of writing. See, one paper at least minimum you have to keep it like this. Now see. Okay. Now what it is saying? According to Muhammad Shoaib Akhtar and his team, published research article is malware analysis and detection using machine learning algorithms. This research includes various malware analysis and various malware analysis and detection with malware analysis. You can write malware analysis, okay, and detection with the machine learning. See, this is the way you can write. Okay, this one here, this title you can keep it in blue color. Already red color you have used. This one you can make it normal color. Okay, like this. So, according to Muhammad Shoaib Akhtar and his team, a published research article is malware analysis and detection using machine learning algorithm. This research includes various malware analysis and detection with the machine learning algorithms to compute the difference in correlation symmetry, like a naive-Bayes support vector machine, J48, random forest, and with the proposed approach, integrals. The results showed that when compared with the other classifiers, decision tree, DT means decision tree 99%, CNN 98.76%, and the support vector machine 96.41% performed well in terms of detection accuracy. So DT, CNN, and SVM algorithms performances detecting malware on small FPR. So DT with the 2.01%, CNN 3.97%, and SVM 4.63 in a given data set were compared. These results are significant as malicious software is becoming increasingly common and complex. You can remove this one, no problem. This point you can remove, but what they have used, that you need to use. So with this one, literature survey is completed. Keep in mind. So like this, you can prepare one paper minimum. After that, input data set I have explained. You can take from the GPT plus one data set I have collected from the internet Kaggle, like that Excel sheet you can prepare, and we will execute. So we will CSV or Excel sheet. This is input data set, existing system. So existing system is used to implement malware detection and prediction is the following techniques: machine learning techniques such as support vector machine, random forest, and deep learning techniques. We are using CNN, convolutional neural networks. These are the classification techniques. Keep in mind, these all are classification techniques, my dear students. Just keep in mind, these are the classification techniques and the drawbacks.
Sir?
Yeah, please tell me.
So these techniques for means for all projects, we have to include.
Projects. All projects, these four techniques are common. We need to execute four techniques. And
Yes.
Drawbacks you need to write. And next, proposed system. These are the proposed system common for all. Extended support vector, four techniques you need to learn. I will execute one by one. Don't worry. Just now I have executed SVM. You select your data set and I will give you code. If you are not getting internet, I'll give you code and we will execute. Don't worry. We are implementing our project. So machine learning techniques and deep learning techniques, these four techniques are common for everyone. Then advantages you need to write. Then proposed architecture of implementation. You need to search in the internet for your project. You will get it one beautiful diagram. We will add one more step in this one. Like I can add CSV file. See here in this image. Okay, I will add one more step. So then it will become modified. So one more step. See, I'm adding one more step. So I'm writing malware data set. Malware data set. I'm writing malware data set. So you can select Times New Roman and okay. So like this, and I'm using shapes. Go to shapes. This one I'm using, or I can use directly this one. Go to arrow mark. Yeah, where is that? This one. I can use this one. See, very simple. So I have added. Now this one I'm making as see. I'm making as a group. One step, minimum one step you need to add it for existing system. Okay, so like this you can add one more step I have added like this. Then it is not plagiarism. We are enhancing. That's why extended. Extended means we are enhancing something in the code also. Tools. You need to explain the tools. These are the tools and the techniques, and these are the techniques and implementation, and ESVM, extended support vector machine, extended convolutional neural networks, results, and I'm keeping the results, output of the proposed technique, conclusion, and followed by the references. Now I'm sending this one. I think somebody has done a malware prediction and detection. I have given any project, major project. If for anybody I have given, please tell me. Documentation.
You have given.
For you? For whom? Navesri?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can implement this one, no problem. And yeah, so I'm sharing this PPT. Please, like this, you can prepare. And 1 second, I'm sharing in the group. Where is your group? Yeah, this PPT I'm sharing. And first prepare. See, group number 12. I have written group number 12 because already 1 to 11 I have given in the projects. Like this, you can name. You can name major project group number 1, group number 2. Like that, you need to give the name of the project and prepare this one. This one you need to present next week. Then I will give you documentation, how to prepare a documentation. Or if you want, I will give you now itself, but it is burden. It is 2 days, it is not possible. You prepare slowly. Minimum you can prepare 30, 40 slides also, no problem. But neat presentation, how I have prepared, same way you can prepare. Times New Roman, text, running text 24, and headings you can use 28 like that. You see my PPT, you come to know how to prepare a PowerPoint presentation. So like this, you can prepare for next week. I'm expecting from you. You got my PPT?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
So,
yeah, please tell me any doubt regarding this project.
can we use any other template like that?
No, because it is a decent template for colors and all. It gives merging and it will not be good. That's why you please follow this one template, same template. It is official. It is official. That's why. If anybody asks you, it is good. Okay. This follow the same template, same font, same. See, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, same template you can follow, and some slides will be common, but matter changes. All the slides are common for all, but matter changes. That's all. Yeah, that's all
So
from my side.
in the first slide, we need to put that Blue Crest University and all that. Should we?
No. You keep Cyber Siksha. This
Only
Blue
Cyber
Crest,
Siksha.
yeah, Cyber Siksha training. You can keep in the middle cyber security logo. Any logo you can keep it, and write down address of the Cyber Siksha. Or otherwise you can keep it. No problem. Nothing will happen. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And write down by your 5 numbers, 5 names, 5 students' names you can write by. You need to present, that's why. You need to present, that's why you need to prepare. Okay. 5 names. Keep it template and write down here because you are giving presentation to me under Cyber Siksha training. That's why you can use same template. Here names you can change, that's all. Your names keep it. And the same template you follow, same template in all the cases. This is good, official. And this paper we are going to present in IEEE conference. So that will also give you very good in journal. You can keep it. Sir, I am going to publish my paper in journal presentation. In IEEE conference also you can present. So like this, you can prepare your own. Okay. So that's all. Any doubts? Shall I close the class? I have shared this one. This PPT I have already shared in the group. Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that's all from my side. 2 days you can use and prepare your major project. Then we will start implementation. Monday I am explaining. I am taking presentation from you, and after that I will explain how to prepare documentation. Okay. So
Okay,
that's
sir.
all. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. You can leave now.
Open Zoom.